Hey baby, it's Baby here, and today we're going to do this inspired look right here. This is what I was inspired by. It's just very army green, gold, and it's just super pretty, and like it looks so good. Oh my god. When I saw it on Pinterest, I'm like, whoa. Okay, that's what I'm doing today. I did a little bit different on the lower lash line. It looks like she used glitter, but I didn't use glitter. I feel like it's kind of different, just a little tiny bit, but it's kind of the same. But I'll put her Instagram down below in the description for you guys, so you guys could go check her out. It's just like, she's so pretty, and she's just like she just makes the prettiest looks, and I'm always inspired when I go on her Instagram. It's like so much is going on. I'm like, oh my god, like wow, like. But yeah, so I really liked how this army green gold kind of just winged out, like gorgeousness. I love it. But if you want to learn how to get this look right here, oh my god, I cannot wait to show you guys and edit this video and everything. But if you want to learn how to get this army green winged out kind of look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I did this eye a little bit because I totally forgot that I was going to be recording. But I did this eye all the way, and I just edited a video before I was recording, and like girl, having a YouTube is hard. Having a YouTube is hard, especially if you're uploading 3 videos a week. First of all, the brow bone highlights is these 2 Pixie highlighters. This one's in rose gold and this one's in peach honey. I took the highlighters in these 2, and I took this highlighter, which is from Wet n Wild, and it's called Blossom Glow, and I just took a little bit of this and I put it on my brow bone. And then I took 2 shadows on my eyes, by the way, but the first color that I took was this Urban Decay Alice in Wonderland palette, Alice Through the Looking Glass palette. And I took this one, which is called Reflection, and I took this color right here, which is, I think it's called Creamsicle, but you could obviously just find this color without the name. And then I'm going to go straight in with the green, which is in this palette, and it is obviously this one right here. This is the only army green color in the palette, which I wish that there was like a lighter one, but that's okay. It's fine. It's okay. And I'm just going to use this little packing brush, and I'm going to grab a little bit. I'm literally going to grab a little bit at a time, and that's it. I also put tape, and I'm kind of going to go right here first and kind of make a little wing. So you see how it's kind of like a little wing, and then I'm going to take this other flat packing brush, but it's just a little bit more fluffier, and I'm just going to blend that. Now I'm going to take my fluffy brush and blend everything. I'm going to go back and forth with these 3 brushes just to make sure everything's blended and everything's nice and neat and nothing's patchy, nothing's like hard to blend. I mean, this color's a little bit hard to blend, like it's taking a little bit forever to blend, but yeah, I'm just gonna really be patient with this color, because I don't want to rush and then this color ends up being patchy or something disgusting, and this look is ruined. And I'm really gonna wing it out. Like, you see how this side, it's like, it's kind of like I have a wing, but I'm also gonna bring it like over here, kind of in the crease, but only on the outer part of the crease. So yeah. So now what I'm gonna be taking is I'm gonna add more green a little bit, so it looks a little bit more pigmented and not. I mean, it looks pigmented, but it's not as dark as I want it. So I'm gonna apply some later and just pack some on so it looks a little bit darker. But right now, I'm going to take this Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette, and I'm going to take this color called Bananas in the palette, which is like this pretty gold shade, and I'm going to apply it on the lid. And then I'm going to take the eyeshadow, the shimmer shadow, and I'm going to spray it with some water just to add a little bit more pigment and metallic and just yumminess. And yeah. And then I'm going to apply this, which is, it's just a liner, and I've been really digging this liner lately since my January Ipsy Glam bag opening. I think it was that one. I'm pretty sure it was that one. Go check it out if you haven't already. I'm just going to do a thin line, not really thin, but it's going to be pretty thick, I would say. Just because my lashes I'm going to be using, the band is thick, so I'm just going to put this on my, just near my lashes. Now I'm going to go put on mascara, which I've been using this one lately just because it's always on my table. The lashes I'm going to be wearing today is these, which I already have one on. It's not very wispy, it's just very like full and dramatic and everything. And I like these. These are the Eylure lashes in 202. And I'm just going to plop these on and yeah. Alright, so it stopped recording while I was packing some green over here. But I'm going to do my full face off camera. If you want to learn how, well, if you want to know how I like get my full face and stuff, I'll link a video down below in the description. I actually did a video called my go-to makeup tutorial, and I also put my face makeup, my face routine in that video, so go check it out if you want to learn how to get my face like makeup or whatever. And yeah, so I'm gonna do my full face and I'll be back with you guys in a second for you guys, but like 30 minutes for me. Alright guys, so I did my full face, obviously, and girl, this glow. So the color that I'm going to be taking first on the bottom lash line is going to be the reflection color, which is the first color that we took in the crease. And I'm going to grab a brush, obviously, and I'm going to grab that color and I'm going to put it on the bottom lashes, the bottom lash line, not lashes. I'm going to go all the way in with it. And then I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette and take this color, which is the second color that we took in the crease, and I'm going to put it under there also. And I'm going to take a little bit of that color and kind of wing it out a little bit against where that line is near the green, and kind of blend it just a little bit just so it's not as harsh. But I'm going to take that green color that we took right here, like literally the smallest bit. Try to get some of my brush. Okay, there we go. I just want to put a little bit near, really close, I think, to the waterline. I might even just, let me see where this goes. I'm just gonna go for it. So now I'm gonna put some powder under my eyes for the mascara, and then plop on some mascara. Now I need to figure out the lippy. I don't know what, I mean, a nude? Let me go change actually, because I actually have an outfit that I want to wear out. I don't know if I'm going anywhere, but usually what I do, I figure out what kind of looks I want to do, like I think, or just look on Pinterest for inspo, and then I look at a picture and be like, okay, that look looks really pretty, and then I'll look in my closet and see if I can match something like a shirt or something. So yeah, so I'm gonna go get that on, and I'll come back with you guys and with a lip color, because I'm hoping that my little one piece will inspire me with a lip color. It's this LA Colors matte liquid lip color in Suede, and yeah. It comes with a lip liner, but I don't feel like lining my lips today. Actually, let's just do it anyway. Let's just line my lips. I'm just gonna line them with the liner that came with the lip color. Girl, I fall in love with this color every single time I use it. I still think, now that I'm looking at it, it looks a little too cool tone. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit of something just to make it come to life, because I feel like with this look, and I feel like the green is making it look like really bad. So I'm going to add this Mellow matte lipstick in Posh, and I'm just going to try to fix it just to give it a little bit more warmth. I'm going to take this little thing right here. It just has a bunch of shadows in it and stuff like that. This is the NYX Professional Makeup little thing with eyeshadows and stuff in London. That's what it's called. And it has like a big mirror in it, and on this side right here, but it has like a blush, a highlight, and 4 eyeshadows. I'm going to take this highlighter right here, and with that I'm going to take this highlighter, Pixie by Petra Beauty Blush Duo in Rose Gold, and I'm also going to take the Blossom Glow highlighter, and yeah, by Wet n Wild. And those are the highlighters that I used on my face, and I'm just going to plop those on my inner corner. Alright, so that's the end of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, because this look looks so good. Oh my god, I'm so glad that I saw that picture on Pinterest, because if I didn't, then I wouldn't be able to create this look. And yeah, I just really like this look. Her Instagram, the person who I was inspired by, her Instagram will be down below in the description. I'll link her Instagram down below. And yeah, so but anyway, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you're new. And yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next video.